what's going on? Yeah, we're gonna do a little cooking today with a little Kroger white wine. Hopefully you can see that and read that. It doesn't look like it says wine. But I am gonna be using the Power XL air fryer. I'm gonna try a roast. All right, so stay tuned. All right, well, I got my air fryer set at 400 degrees for 59 minutes. I'm going to rotate it every 15 to 20 minutes or whenever I feel like it. So, wish me luck. Okay, it's been about 50 minutes in the air fryer. So let's take a look and see what we got. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah. Let me take it out so you can get a closer look. Yo, let's check it out. Oh yeah. Look at there. Pork loin. Got a little bark on it. Let me go ahead and slice into it. Man, I'm telling you, in under an hour, 50 minutes at 400 degrees in the Power XL air fryer, hey, it's turned out pretty good. Look at that. Juicy, moist. Make you slap your mama.